Today is September 6th, a Monday. After a long weekend of intense knitting and forcing myself to get up and go outside, challenging myself to have the sun on my face and move my body in between all of these rows of knitting that I have been inhaling, has been so nice and so peaceful. We have just been quietly existing. Jeffrey's birthday was just a few days ago, and he's 44 now. Remy is getting so excited because his birthday is coming up in less than a week. And of course, he is deciding his menu. And I'm just excited to just be knitting away on my new pullover here. This is Snow Crocus. I just cast this on a few days ago, and I have just been sucked into working on this pattern. It is just absolutely amazing, and I anticipate wearing this pullover. I really am looking forward to this amazing hug. This is my DK weight base, and this colorway is Halcyon, and the needle size is a 10, which is amazing because I'm used to 2, 3, 4 for needle sizing, so absolutely flying. But yeah, we as a family are just keeping active, going outside, taking walks in our little woods, looking for cute little bunnies. The kids spend a lot of time gathering acorns for the chipmunks, particularly their friend Alvin in the backyard, and we are still frequently being visited by our little deer friend, and I hope to always have little dear friends to show you.